Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope y'all are all having a great day. We're going to be unboxing a new subscription box, and it's called Throne. It says Beauty, Fashion, Home, Wellness, and Fit for a Queen. And this is $34.99. And you take a quiz and tell them things you like. I think maybe it had colors that you like, and so they have a larger one too. I think this is the 6 to 8 items, and then they have an 8 to 10 item box. And I don't remember how much it is. But I think after I got my box, and it's silver, and then the gold one is the more expensive one. And then I've seen where they've come out with a bronze one. And I think it might be 4 to 6 items. And I think it was 26 something. I probably would have tried that one first if they would have had it, but they didn't have that option when I subscribed. But let's see what I got. So this is how it comes. Something in there smells really good. And they have these things that are like icicles. It says, "Welcome to Throne, Queen. Thank you for subscribing. We hope you love what we've put together for you this month." And they have everything listed on this card. So I like that. Okay, so the first thing that I see, and I've seen some of this, I think, on Instagram. I don't know for sure, but I'm thinking this might be their very first box this month to come out with, but I'm not positive about that. But this is Buck Naked Soap Company, Eucalyptus Himalayan Salt Soak. I got a big old thing of that. And of course I won't use this, so it'll go to my daughter. My goodness, that is strong. That's what I've been smelling. It smells good though. It says, including over 84 minerals and trace elements to nurture balance, this soak helps maintain skin's moisture and can be used to stimulate circulation and relax and soothe sore muscles. The unique ionic energy of Himalayan salt also helps draw toxins from the body. Okay, the next thing I see is wrapped in here, and I remember seeing these, and I think they had them in gold too. And that's another thing that you put when you fill out the quiz, is if you like silver or gold. Here's a little packet. So surely this isn't one of... Oh, that's not on here. I guess I just threw that in. And here's another thing that's wrapped. Okay, this is a BH Cosmetics 12 color eyeshadow palette. Marble Collection, Warm Stone. Okay, so I got it out of the box, and there's what it looks like. And here are the colors. So just pretty neutral colors. And it says this palette contains 12 highly pigmented, neutral, matte, and shimmer shades that are perfect to create a spring look, a springtime look. Okay, and then we got some No Water Needed Busy Beauty Showerless Shampoo. Clean and add volume. That's interesting. This is cleanse your hair and add volume without water using this dry shampoo. Spray through your roots, holding the nozzle 4 inches away from the scalp, and massage in to eliminate sweat, oil, odor while adding volume and texture. Then we got a ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip. And I love ColourPop, especially their glosses. Oh yeah, I like this. It's in the color Fantasia. I don't think I have this color, but it's kind of nude, and it has sparkles in it. And there's what it looks like. So I'm glad to have that. And then, well, I thought there was one more thing. There's 2 more. Okay, this is a Pure Quick Pro Mask. 6 individual holographic hydrating sheet masks. So, it says contains 6 individual sheet masks. Let's see. It said it hydrates, refreshes, and brightens the appearance of your complexion with skin rejuvenating ingredients. This full sheet mask helps concentrated ingredients effectively penetrate deeper for visible, refreshed, brighter, and plumper looking skin. So I'm always glad to get a mask. And then we have one more thing. And they have it all wrapped up too. I don't know if, I'm sure y'all noticed, my phone, the camera, it's doing these jerky movements when I go back and watch my videos. It's been like, I don't know if it's trying to go out or what, but I can see it doing it. Anyways, got a plate and it says "Hello Beautiful." So that's cute. So, hello, it's a trinket jewelry dish. Place those earrings and that bracelet that has been sitting on your dresser for weeks here. Mine is I have a bunch of stuff currently sitting on my bathroom countertop. And this will match my bathroom because my countertops are white. So that is my throne box. And I think it was an alright box. Y'all let me know what you think. I thank y'all for watching and I hope you enjoyed it. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.